Hey, this is gotbletu, aka God Bless You. Celebrating the 10th year of this channel. Started this channel back in July 22 of 2008 here, right? And now is what was that? July 22, 2018. So I did start this channel in the summer. When I started out, what was that? YouTube was, I mean, it was still small, but they give you like 3 minutes in a tiny little box. Remember that fucking video in a tiny little box? 3 minutes to do your fucking videos. Can you believe that shit? And then like I think a year or two later they give you 5 minutes, and then like a year or two after that they give you 10 minutes, and then 20 minutes, and then like nowadays I think it's unlimited if you're a partner or whatever. But back when I started, there was like no partnership or anything. You did videos because you actually wanted to do videos. Can you believe that? Nowadays, people have different reasons. Some people, they do this for as their career. Some people, they do this maybe to get some fame, to do something else as a real job. Who knows? But back when I started out, it's just that people were just making videos because they were bored, right? And that was me. I was bored, and I actually was helping my friend do was that helping him with, I think he had like Wi-Fi issues with his Linux stuff. And back then, I was a newbie user, so I didn't know shit either. My whole channel is basically a newbie Linux user to somewhat intermediate now, I guess. But back then I really didn't know shit either. I was doing all these videos just to help one of my buddies out. And I gotta say, he did not make the Linux transition. Or that's the long story short on that. I believe he's into the Mac now, but he's doing IT for a college. So good on him, because he does support for Windows and Mac and stuff like that. There's really no Linux on school campus, I don't believe. Anyways, so I didn't help him out, but I did continue doing these videos, mainly because people started watching my videos and they say, you know what, show me how to do this and that. And I'm like, I can figure that shit out. It's not that hard. So I did that, like doing those Compiz videos. People liked that shit back then. Kwin for KD stuff. And I was doing a bunch of that, and people keep asking me questions, and they give me suggestions. There's a lot of smart motherfuckers on Linux here, man. They know a lot of stuff. I just wish like most of them would make videos, so I don't have to waste time do this. The more people that actually make Linux videos, like the good ones that actually knows what they're talking about or something like that, I wish they made the videos instead of just telling me about it. Make the videos, and other people might watch you. Who knows? That's how I started. I don't know if people are gonna watch me. I just made these videos because I was bored and I had time. All right. But like I said, people started watching my videos, and I do appreciate that. The people has commented, share my videos, even talk shit. I mean, that's still entertaining to me. Talking trash online is not a problem for me. And then like over the years, I remember when I started out, I was doing like mainly just GUIs, because like I said, I was like a new user coming from the Windows world. I was into the GUIs, and then like I think 5 or 6 years later, I switched most of my videos to terminal command lines, stuff like that. And I did lose a lot of subscribers because they signed up for one thing, and then now I'm showing something else. But that's cool. Hopefully we'll get them back. Maybe they weren't ready for the command line videos at the time, but now if they get better and they want to try the command line stuff, it'll be here also. And that's the thing with my channel, is a little bit different, because we're doing like apps reviews and tutorials and stuff like that. It's a little different from like the dish reviews, where dish reviews is not that hard. It's just like the desktop environment. That's mostly what people are looking for, and those desktop environments rarely ever changes. Now with apps, this was the thing back then. Like before I even started, I watched a bunch of other YouTubers, and they were talking about apps that were popular. All right, and then after they completed talking about the popular ones, I never see them again. They never do any new videos because maybe they ran out of apps to talk about. And I always hated that. Like, it was a couple of times. Like, there was a bunch of YouTubers, Linux YouTubers, that were talking about, oh, how great OpenOffice is, Firefox, all the major ones. But then once they ran out of the list, I never see them again. So, when I wanted to make videos, I wanted to well, I actually wanted a person like myself that were making videos to talk about software that I've never heard of, and that's what I wanted to do, and hopefully I succeed in that. I want to talk about programs that it's obscure, it's like hidden gems or some shit that you never heard about, a new GitHub repo, a new script here, a new code here, whatever it is. I always wanted those tips and tricks type of channel, and I wasn't seeing that on Linux. I mean, I would watch these Linux videos back then, and they would tell me how great Linux is, but the motherfuckers would never show me, like, what are they talking about, how you exactly do it. Like, they assume that you know how to do it, which you don't if you're a new user, So that's the reason why my channel the way it is because I just got tired of these assholes telling me, oh, how great Linux is, but they don't actually show you nothing. They will tell you, like, hey, read this, read that. I don't got fucking time for that. I'm here to watch videos, So that's why you don't really see a lot of intros on my channel or outros, because when I'm searching for videos, I don't want to hear about your fucking day. I don't want to hear about your social media. I just want to get to the fucking content. And plus, I don't like doing video editing. I mean, video editing, more power to you if you can do that, because I did that before. Like I said, I had another channel where I did animate music videos, and editing fucking sucks, right? So I try to do the videos like one take. I don't want to edit. I don't want to cut it. I don't want to do any of that shit. As soon as I finish, I just uploaded. It is a lot of work. People think that it's just making the videos. Well, you have to like write the notes for it. Cause some of these command line stuff, I have to write notes because I watch other people's videos. Like I mainly watch like modding videos nowadays, but they do like 100 steps, and the motherfuckers don't even have like a show notes to do a recap of what they did, and it's really annoying to pause the video and then go back and then write it down and stuff like that. So that's why I do the show notes, even though I hate doing show notes, folks. I really hate it. It's like video editing to me. You have to like do the post-production stuff, and so I always hate doing videos that has long show notes, because I know I have to write it out and everything, so other people can copy paste really quick instead of wasting their time watching my video again. The videos are there just for if this is the software you're looking for, or maybe you should try it out. That's about it, in terms of the videos. I mean, not everyone's gonna watch all my videos because it's not like a very popular thing. If you're doing dish reviews, yeah, everyone knows about the distros, but not everyone knows about these new apps, or those hidden gems type of one-liners that you get in the command, stuff like that. So thank you for everyone that has contribute or actually change my show notes. They do like a get get merge or something like that. I forgot what the hell is it called, but you know what I'm saying. They edit my notes for me. Thank you for that. Thanks you for sharing my videos and spreading the channel. I mean, Linux, it's a very small community on YouTube anyways, so I don't mind if other people get popular, because sooner or later they're gonna run into my channel and hopefully they watch 1 or 2 of my videos and you know, they'll subscribe to me. But I don't view it as a competition. I just view it as, if one guy makes it to you know, like a lot of viewers, sooner or later they're gonna have to watch my videos, because like I said, the community is really small on YouTube for Linux stuff. Anyways, happy 10th year. Hopefully I can do more of these fucking videos for another 10 years. Who knows? Right? I might get bored with it. I doubt it, but you never know. Sometimes I do need a long break, because doing these videos every week does wear on you, you know. But I'll never, I don't think I'll ever quit. And if I stop making videos, it's probably because I'm dead, or you know, I'm taking a break. One of those two. Anywho, thanks for watching my videos over the years. Happy 10th year of this channel. That'll be it for this one.